Am I about to get gap? Like and subscribe to the limits. Mfizzle 340, 370, 325. Let me know which car is your favorite. Of course, damn, that red interior is shiny when I put the light on it. But yeah, we're about to go on a little drive. Not too crazy, but we will have a little bit of fun. Are all the guys behind us? Hear the pops. Ooh, the intakes after 3. The intake, bruh. Man, that intake sound good, dog.
It sound good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Popping like crazy too. Is stage 2 on? Is stage 2 on?
Maybe.
Alright, bet. That sounds saucy. Yeah. Am I about to get gap? Well, experience it, my boy. He's all-wheel drive, so taking off from a dig, even though this shit don't spin. Papers are flying. Look at JR. So happy bro got his whip. Go, 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 go around, go around, go around, go around, go around, go around. Oh, take your time, take your time, take your time. Oh, Sam sounds so nice. Refill coolant, see? Let's see Jared got me from a dig. You're trying to get me from a dig?
Sure.
Alright, bet. I ain't gonna launch it because it's just gonna rip up and dump the clutch. Makes no sense.
Oh.
But I will floor it. So,
Can I launch it or?
yeah, launch. Keeping in front. We're gonna have to do a 40 roll. He got me off the dig for sure, as expected. Rear wheel drive, and with it dumping the clutch, even though I didn't engage launch, it still dumped the clutch. Okay then. Oh, they had the train. Oh, the train gone. Perfect. Yes, I am. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Like I said, we can't go too crazy. I know what we just did is not too crazy. No, it's not. That's just regular driving. We're regular traffic for tonight. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. My boy JR, Junior Built Garage. If I am mistaken, I'll put it in the description. Anyways, follow his channel. Get his angle of the drift that I just did in the M Fizzle. Sev took a trip on IG. S1 Halil on IG as well. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to see each person page. Other than that, let's bring it back. But the video ain't over yet though. We're gonna have a race between me and Mr. 340. Mr. B58 versus the S63. Oh, I did hear the burbles that time. Because they've been telling me that the car burble. Oh, I was giving you the space, but alright. But I just never heard it burble. I hope the camera is good. I did not really double check. Oh my gosh, JR. Wow. Want them to forget so I got prospect. Let's go catch up. AI got some amazing editing because this is my first time doing this with this car. So we're gonna try and set the pace. Of course we're gonna brake boost if it allows it. We will be brake boosting because yeah, we need to. JR is stage 2 allegedly. So I'm thinking to put transmission in the highest setting. I'm not sure why it's in the lamest setting right now. I'm gonna leave it on number 2 because this is what my M2 normally is. Just leave it in what my M2 normally is. And see, we are gonna need every advantage though, so let's close up the windows and the sunroof. Only window is gonna be down is this one for right now. Use the bottom left. .40-year-old. Ready? What? Oh, sir. Ready? Ready? Neck and neck. At one point it looked like he was gonna start pulling past. I ain't gonna even lie. At one point it looked like he was about to start pulling past. 40 again. Let's try it again. Probably on a 60 is probably a better run for the M5 based on what I saw just now. But let's try and bait boost a little bit more. 40. All right, one more. Come up. He's not getting a good start to these last two races. All right, that's the last one I can do though, because remember I told you the car is leaking coolant. Damn, that shit sounds good. I'm so proud of my boy JR buying that car, bro. He's been talking about 340 for the longest. All right, let's go make this thing cool down.
Every time y'all drive past, I can't even tell who's driving, who just passed who.
Oh shit. Yo, no pocket carry them. So those were some nice races. We can't do any more. The last two he did not get, huh? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to leave it running so that way the turbos can get oil flowing or whatever flowing through them. But yeah, that's fine. The last two races he did not get a good start, but the first one he did, and we were neck and neck. So that 340 is basically M5. That's crazy. All he got downpipe intake tune. So yeah, if you want a 340 and make it as fast as an M5, downpipe intake tune. So yeah. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the little snippets of church and cars. Praise the Lord, man. We love God. If it wasn't for God, we would have nice things. So yeah, God is the way.
Under tray is an issue.
Oh yeah, he said if you buy a 340, the under tray comes off once you go over 120.
Huh?
Once you go over 120,
About, yeah.
allegedly
Allegedly.
kilometers an hour. Yeah, about there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and if you let it idle long, it will start smoking. You know the thing, the guy at Church and Car said his car was doing the same shit. He got a 440.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Enjoy the video. Drop a thumbs up. Comment something cool. Bye bye.